This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by J. Reilly. Extraordinary property with commanding views of Anacortes / San Juan Islands to the west and Padilla Bay / Blanchard Mtn to the east. 2+ acres on gorgeous Guemes Island. Foundation installed for your tri-level dream house. All permits and building plans are available for you. Bonus, guest house of 1,200 SF, plus / with 10,000-gallon water tank, well, utilities in place. Each have single-car garages with extra workspace. Property also offers a close proximity to and from the Guemes Island ferry. For more information, review the details below or contact J. Reilly at 360-734-7500.